We're now at the Food Truck Wars in Langley. Let's get some food. Got my Yeezys on.
Photos are stuff for kids.
Yeah, there is, but there's no rise. I don't see the gravity thing. Where is it? Stay on this side. Oh man. Let's go get some food, Adriana. Good thing there's a lot of tables. Swing you. Okay, go. I know.
The big red. Big red poutine is the best.
Poutine? Yeah, not that one. Hindi na sinoras. Mama's Fish and Chips. Korean fusion bar. Fusion food bar. There's Greek. Oh, this is the famous one. Beaver tails and want macaroni? What? What do you want?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Look at this, grilled cheese sandwiches. I love these too. I like grilled cheese too. Got some Mom's oven roasted tomato soup. Tomato, red onion, all sandwiches. Okay. Alright, still not sure if I want that one just yet. I might try two different things. These are hot dogs. Yeah. Oh no, this is pierogi. I forgot what country that's from, but okay, definitely don't want this anymore. I've had that many times. Okay, not too many people, which is good. There's a Dim Sum Express. There's a Tex-Mex food truck. Then some bao buns. What is this? Okay, birria tacos. They've got birria tacos. Yeah, this is display. All right. Bao buns. Got some wings. Great wings. Got some freshly squeezed lemonade. They got freshly squeezed lemonade. Award-winning wings. They got the truckin' barbecue. The line for this one is very long.
Hey, I just got a quick announcement. If you just got the Dim Sum Express and you're... Oh,
Adriana.
Come on. Thank you, as you were.
Lots of people. This is nice. This place is nice. Get the doggies. Okay, pizza. Shawarma truck. Eto poutine. Is this poutine? Oh yeah. There we go. Gourmet poutine and fresh fries. What else do we have? Gourmet hot dogs. I think I might have a hot dog. I think that's what I want. not look bad at all. Roasted corn chop. I think that looks good. Cannoli King. Oh look, they have a Filipino food truck. Manila, Vancouver. Shameless buns. Filipino food truck. What do we have? Adobo fries. Filipino cheesesteak. Filipino spaghetti lumpia. Serves spam a lot and adobo fries. Ooh, good. Okay, we've got mac and cheese. This is the loaded mac and cheese. Oh, we ordered this last time at the other, and you didn't eat it. But there is a kid special, yeah. Maybe she can have that. There are also some kampong Malaysian food. There. All right, we're gonna order our first thing. This is the kid special. Gourmet mac and cheese, cookies, and apple juice. Let's order. Excuse me. Can we get the kid special? Oh, nice truck. Are you sure you're gonna eat it?
I want water.
Okay. There we go. Thank you so much. All right, we got one food down. Getting the next one now. Passing through the back here. I think I want a sandwich. Huh? Yeah. All right, we're ordering from Dos Amigos, Tex-Mex food. Let's go nachos. No. You gotta hold it. It's your food. Gonna get the chicken tacos.
Sorry, yeah.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Hi, can we get the chicken tacos?
Chicken tacos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. All right, got the tacos. Let's go. Yeah, sure. Grilled cheese sandwiches. Smashed burger. Oven roasted tomato soup. Can I order?
What can I get for you?
Can I get the Pop Smash Burger grilled cheese? And tomato soup. A cup tomato soup. Tacos. Is that mine?
Are you Carlos?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Food reveal. Oh yes.
Wow.
Grilled cheese and what is this? Tomato soup
And looks the back of
and Heinz ketchup.
ketchup.
We got our wings
This is
here,
lemon pepper.
lemon pepper, and then of course the tacos. How are the tacos?
Spicy.
Good. How about you?
Likes her
You like it?
mac and cheese.
Good. Let's try this now. What happened to lemon pepper? It's like real lemon pepper. Yeah. It's good.
You can have this.
I like it. You want to try my smash burger? Grilled cheese?
Grab more napkins.
Ooh, take a nice picture of my buns, my man. Yes, sir. There you go. Put my buns on the internet, you know what I'm saying? And I got a beautiful espresso, extra ice cream, number 35. Ooh, you gonna love my buns, y'all. Come on in. We got the best buns in town. And I got a beautiful original, number 45. Oh, your bun is done, my man. Yes, sir.
They got two.
Put my buns on the internet, okay? I appreciate you.
100%,
Enjoy, my
man. Here we go.
What's this?
Signature.
Oh.
Okay. Yum. Okay, I guess we're done eating, so now it's face paint time.
Look up.
Okay, Mama will fix your bubbles after, okay? Okay? Look at Mama, let's see what you look like so far. No, you're not done yet. Sit down. Almost done.
Thank you. Nice color.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
It doesn't look exactly like that, you know. As long as it's close.
Oh. No, I'm just getting cold.
Roll done? Let me see. Let me see you first. Let her just finish just a little bit of blue there, okay? Okay? on there. Just a little bit more blue.
Hello, kitty.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Drawing the paint.
Which one do you want?
Look at that, Mary.
Look at me.
Would you like some sparkles? Yes? Perfect. Look up. Close your eyes. Close your mouth.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes, close your mouth.
Close your mouth. Yep. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Take a look. You love it? Wow. You look amazing.
Can I see? Let me see, Adriana. Wow. Okay. Go to mom. Okay. I thought it was over. It's not. We're getting corn. We're getting corn. I thought our food trip was over, but it's not.
I want buttered corn, please.
They've got like hot sauce too.
Can I have one first? Thank you. Just a buttered corn. Thank you so much.
Corn. That's salt. Not too much.
Right here. Show it right there.
Salty. Mommy likes it salty.